everybody. My name is Miss Kathy. Thank you for joining me today. I'm taking a short break away from my summer reading decorations that you see behind me to do a fun, easy Easter craft. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to need some styrofoam. That's what these eggs are made out of. So you're going to want styrofoam. You're going to need some skewers. You're also going to need some dowel rods. Then you're going to need templates for the different size eggs that we have here. Spray paint, craft paint, some scrap material, and some ribbon. Okay, so to do the big egg, we'll use pieces of styrofoam. This is a felt egg that I bought at the Dollar Tree. So what I did with this is trace it out on the styrofoam, and then I used an electric carving knife to cut it out with. So if you have one of those knives, I would definitely recommend using it. It makes it a whole lot easier. Once you get it cut out, you're going to spray paint it or paint it with craft paint, one solid color, and let it dry. Once it's dried, then you could use this template. As you can see the designs here, I just laid it back on top and used craft paint to make the design. So it's really up to you how you want to decorate it. Okay, so then the next size that we have is this size. And I just used it, same thing, traced it on styrofoam, and then cut it out. Okay, my favorite size are these right here, and I used a cookie cutter to make this size egg. Now, the thing with the cookie cutter is it needs to be the metal cookie cutter. The metal cookie cutter will allow you to cut the styrofoam, and it will go all the way through. You're going to have to press it kind of hard, but it will go all the way through. So once you have everything cut out, then comes the fun part. Now it's time to decorate. So we can either use craft paint along with a little sponge brush, or you could use spray paint. Now, I like the spray paint, but it is a craft spray paint. So make sure before you start spraying that it does say it's safe to use on styrofoam. And also make sure you use this outside. Then if you have some scrap material, something like this, then this is what I did with scrap material, okay? So you can use the tacky glue, or you can use Elmer's, whichever one you'd like to use. Cut it, glue it on there, and then I used ribbon to go around the sides just to give it a better finished look. Now, I didn't have any ribbon at the house, so what I found was the little handles on a gift bag. And it was very easy to undo. They were knotted. Undo the knots, pull it out. It's the right width, and here we go. Okay, so these are my favorite sizes. Now, all three of these colors were spray painted. They were not the craft paints, okay? So I made a lot of these type eggs to use in my planter boxes around the house. So I just want to take the time to thank you for joining me today, and I want to wish each and every one of you a very happy Easter.